Did you know that just one beautiful background image can make your website look more engaging and professional? Welcome back to Learn with GemPages. In today's video, I'll guide you through how to add and customize a background image to make your page stand out like never before. Let's dive right in and see how it works. Step 1. In the GemPages Editor, click on the section you want to edit. Step 2. Next, go to the Background section. Click on Image and upload the image you want to use as the background for this section. Alternatively, you can select an image from your Shopify media library or paste the image URL directly into the field. Step 3. In addition, you can adjust some basic settings for this background image, such as scale. Adjust the image size to fit your layout. Position. Choose the alignment of the image, such as center, top left, or top right, to control how the image is displayed within the background area. Repeat. Decide whether the image should tile across the background or remain as a single instance. Attachment. Set the background image to either scroll with the page or remain fixed in place for a parallax effect. Optimize LCP. Use compressed images to maintain fast page speed. Step 4. Once you've finished customizing, click Save to keep your changes. Don't forget to hit Publish to apply the new background to your live page. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you can easily add and adjust a background image for your GemPages page. Quickly, effortlessly, and with no coding required. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any new tutorials from Learn with GemPages. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.